Hi, I'm Brenda DeArmond, and I'm here to show you a brand new home in Plantation. Brand new to me because we just listed it, and it's all ready for you right on the golf course. Come on in and we'll show you what it looks like. As you can see, it has 2-car garage and a garage for your golf cart. All the bushes. Got a very heavy storm door here. There is a screen available as well. You can see it's well worth it. It's nice and heavy. As you walk in, this is the living room and the dining room if you want the dining room in here. It's all wood floors, real wood floors here. We'll turn to the left first. This is the master bedroom in here. A good, roomy sized master bedroom with carpet. And then you have a door that leads out to the lanai. You have 2 closets, hers and hers, or hers and his, whatever it wants to be. And here is a large master bathroom with 2 separate sinks. And you have your soaking tub, glass block. She put curtains up there because there's an awful lot of light comes in there, but most people love light. If you can say that fast, you're doing better than I am. Okay, and a nice size shower here. The owner is still in the process of moving out and cleaning. So some of the items won't be here when you get there, like the cleaning supply. She's doing a good job doing that. Okay, as you go through here, come back to the formal living and dining here. We'll go on into the family room. This owner had her dining room table in here. That's why we have this nice light here. But this could be all family room as well. See the beautiful wood floors in here? Okay, I got my purse in the way. I'll put it right down here. Good shot of the kitchen. 42-inch cabinets all the way around. All of the appliances stay. Nice refrigerator, freezer, a flat stove, Whirlpool, and your dishwasher. This is a 2-bedroom and a den. And here is your den. You can use this for a lot of different things. Hardwood floors again in here as well. Secondary bedroom is back here in the back, so it's well split between the 2 bedrooms. You want some privacy. Berber carpet in here. Closets all the way along that line. And you get a good view of the golf course here. So if you want to make this an office or whatever, you have a good view while you're doing that. And here is the secondary bathroom. Again, the owner's still cleaning. Nice shower here. Single sink. And this leads on out to the lanai as well. Let's see if we can get out here. Okay. Well, it leads outside anyway. And then you get into the lanai. But it's you can see the beautiful shot here of the golf course. Just on the other side over there is this community swimming pool, Ashley Hall. So you're not very far from one of the 3 halls that you can go to. And that's very popular over there. As you can see, the lanai is this way. good size area for you to do whatever you want to. You could put a pool in here if you wanted to. This was made to have a pool here, but the owners chose not to. You have hurricane shutters. Hurricane shutters are very expensive. She said she paid $10,000 for these. Over here, they've got them still up over here. This is the master bedroom. And these hurricane shutters come together. And you can see the hurricane shutters on that one as well. They're all ready to go. And you bring you back into here. So if you're interested in this home or any other home here in the plantation, let me know. I'm Brenda DeArmond, and my phone number is 407-721-2128. Just give me a call. Bye-bye.